Good morning, friends. I hope you are doing great. Today, I'm there at the second part of my delivery, on which I had been talking about the 80-20 principles. But before going into the 80-20 principles, if I ask you to define what is success, can you tell me? Some people may be telling that success is something which I really aspire to have. Success is good. If I get it, I will be happy. But no, my dear friends, if you take success as something which would be good if you get it, if you don't get it, then also it is okay. No, you should take your success as your duty, as your responsibility, as your obligations. The same kind of a duty, the same kind of a responsibility, the same kind of an obligation with which you take care of your children, you take care of your parents, you take care of your maybe religion. The moment you don't think that this is your duty, you cannot be committed towards your success, right? So we had been talking about one of the principles as 80-20 principles, in which it is said that it is the 80% mindset and the 20% skill which is important to get a success. It got three different levels. The first level is realization. The next level is transformations. Once you realize something, then you try to use your realizations to transform yourself to a much committed person, a much focused person. And the last stage is that after the transformation, if you reach to a certain level, or maybe you have reached to your destination, how can you sustain that? Is it a very short term benefit you got? Is it a very short lived destiny you got, or you want to enjoy it for over a period of time? So that is the sustainability. In my last two videos, I have told about the realization part. Today I am into the transformations part. My dear friends, again there are maybe 7-8 different stages. I will try to take one after one and try to explain it to you. The first stage is start. Yes, start. What is start? If you think that you would prepare yourself completely and then you will start something, probably it never happens. Lot of things, lot of innovations, lot of new things happens all of a sudden. Then people saw it, felt it, then they walked around it. So start means in a fine morning you have to think enough is enough. I have lived my enough average life. I have to really I have realized something, and then I have to transform those realization into my life. So the first point is to have a real start, and the start can happen even tomorrow morning itself, my dear friends, right? The next point is, once you have decided that you take a start from today, then you have to take a massive action. I've told you, it is the Grant Cardone who had told us that it is you should not only have a X amount of dream. If you want to reach to a certain level, say X level, then you should always set your dream at a 10x level, and then the kind of efforts that you have to reach, you have to again give it a 10x effort. So a massive thinking and a massive action. So along with the start, you have to start thinking in a very massive way, right? So you have started it, you have set your mind that my goal is something much bigger than what initially I thought. You have geared yourself to take a massive actions. Then you have to, the third point is good habits. You have to develop certain good habits. What is the habit? First of all, the biggest investment that you can have towards your growth is on you. You have to really put certain good habits. Means every day morning I will have maybe 1.5 hours of studying. Every day morning I will try to talk to some good people who had really got something. Every day morning I will write down my dreams, my destinations in a paper, so that I can really visualize that. I have to take care of my health as well. There may be a lot of good habits that you have to develop without making certain habits. I told you that to set a target, it should always be realistic target. If you are having 100 kgs plan to come down to 90 kgs, you come down, you will forget it. You can never stay there. So to reach to 70 kgs, not 90 kgs from 100 kgs, that may be your one of the destinations. You have to develop certain very good habits. The fourth point is commitment. My dear friends, setting habits is a great thing. Maybe on the 31st December of every month, we take a lot of resolutions, New Year resolutions. From tomorrow, the 1st January, I will quit smoking. I will stop, quarreling with people. I will stop undue arguments. January comes, I really try hard to do it. February comes, half gone. March, it is over. It means you have set your mind for a certain kind of good habits, but you are not committed. So unless and until you are not committed, it cannot happen. So the commitment part is really really very important. The very very important part is that investing on yourself. My dear friends, this is the last kind of thing we always think. We can spend 10,000 rupees for a nice dress. We can spend maybe few lakhs of rupees for nice cars, but the moment when it comes to spend some bucks to buy a good book, or to attend a good seminar, or to see a good video, we think no 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 no, even 1,000 rupees is too much, I don't have money. My dear friends, the moment you start putting money on yourself, on your learning, on your development, on your overall expansion of your mind, that things cannot happen, my dear friends. So please learn to invest on yourself, spend for your own development, because that is the high income skill that you can develop. You may be, after that you may be in some kind of a money making business, you may be some kind of an investment in other sectors also. They may go away, but the skill that you have developed by putting money on you, by investing on you, can never go away. So please start putting money on yourself for your own development. So that is really very important. The next point is that you should have a mentor, a coach. It is not that it is a very official that you have to declare that the coach has to talk to you daily. Maybe it is a silent coach. Maybe your coach doesn't even know that you are following him. But my dear friends, if you don't have a coach, if you don't have a mentor to follow, then probably you cannot go forward. To having a coach is very important, and trust him properly. He may not be the best, but whatever you can learn from him, you have to really learn. If you make a coach or a mentor and start disbelieving him, my dear friends, probably you cannot learn anything. So having a coach, having a mentor is very very important. The next point is that in our life, it may always happen that some life changing moments happen. My dear friends, it also happened with me many a times. Suddenly certain thing happens, certain big things happens. I catch hold that thing and I thought that yes, I didn't think about it, but it happened. But now let's use that something new would had happened, or me, or something learning had happened to me. So life changing moments do come in our life. If we just ignore, they will just get passed on. If we just take those, grab those, try to learn those, then probably those particular events can really change our life, right? The next point is that, as usual, I would say it is the value addition, and the value addition. You are surrounded by your society, you are surrounded by your community. So you are every day we are taking a lot of things from our society, from our community. The moment you learn giving it back, contributing to the society, then probably your actual transformation will take place. Last but not the least, I would again say you, it is a risk-taking ability. My dear friends, if you just want to be an average thinker, an average maker, then probably risk-taking is not important. But if you really want to go up, you want to reach to your destiny, you have to take risks. But that risk should be a calculative risk. The risk, normally the fear we have of taking the risks, maybe that our relatives would bunk us, or maybe I cannot chase my dream, I cannot think something new, I will fall down, I cannot express my feedbacks. But my dear friends, unless and until you have a fearless mind, you must take risks, a calculated risk. But unless and until you take the risks, it cannot happen that you are fully prepared and then an opportunity comes, you grab it and you get it. No, it cannot happen. Something will come to you, some hints will come to you, you have to grab it, you have to take risks and jump into it and reach to your destinies, my dear friends. So this was the entire thing on the transformations part, what I had for you today. In the next video, I will talk about the sustainability. If you have liked this video, please be with me and subscribe my YouTube channel, Tathastu SB Learning Solutions. I am also available in Instagram and Twitter in the name of Tathastu SB. Please be with me there. Till then, have a great life, have a healthy life, have a wealthy life, and enjoy your life. Always be positive. Thank you very much. Take care.